Hello techies. Alright, today we are going to be working on the terminal. So we have a bunch of tags here on the left pane, which is to view the permission for /sales directory and its content and answer the lab questions, answer the other group, allow the other group to browse sales directory, modify permission on all files in the sales directory. So let's just go. We go open up our terminal and we start up with cd space / enter ls space -l enter. Let's answer the question, which permission does other have for sales directory? Let's check. Let's just check here. Order. There is none, absolutely none here, so we'll go ahead and click none. We minimize this and we continue with the other facts. So this is going to be cd mode space o plus r space / sales yeah. So we'll go ls space l. All right, and ls space -l space / sales. Right, okay, and we go into cd mode space o. Oh, command not found. So cd mode o plus rx space / sales. Okay. All right. So let's go back into cd mode and finalize ch mode space o plus r space / sales / star. Yeah, so that will be ls space -l space / sales enter. Alright, so let's answer the question. Which permission does other have for the content of the sales directory? And this is none. Let's check our answers. Everything seems correct. If this video was helpful, you might want to consider sharing, like, subscribe, comment. I'll see you in the other one.